30 years of owning rental property, we're going to go ahead and clean this shower head. The jets on it do get included with lime or calcium, or depending on the type of water that you have. Take a pair of pliers. Don't mar the outside of where it connects to the pipe. Just loosen it, and then you can hand unscrew it. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the inlet screen here is not included with a bunch of junk, because even though you might clean the orifices on the actual shower head, if that inlet screen is plugged up, that's not going to help. I take a piece of glass and fill it up about halfway, enough that when I put the shower head into it, the jets are completely submerged, and I just let it sit. Here we can actually see the sediment has actually come out, and this is probably lime, and it turns into almost a paste. So it does a wonderful job, fairly easy, of cleaning out the jets and making it reusable. I'm taking another one, and I'm going to use the same vinegar because it still has potency, and I'm going to let it sit in the same vinegar, and I'll check it in the morning and I'll clean it. Here you can see how much sediment has actually settled out of the second shower head. So it's an effective system. It works. It's simple. I don't fool with the bag over top of the shower head, because that won't get to the material that's in that screen. So that's the way to do it. Here it is. The shower head is back installed. Good flow. All the jets are open, and it is a convenient, inexpensive way to handle this. Thank you for watching.